Ndewo kekime. Eji n'aka na ahụ dị gị. That means I hope you are well. Eji n'aka na ahụ dị gị. Okay. Ekele dịrị Chineke n'ụbọchị taa. We thank God for today. Okay. Ekele dịrị Chineke n'ụbọchị taa. Okay. Maka ndị America na-celebrate Thanksgiving. Anyị na-esokwa unu na-celebrate. Anyị na-ekele Chineke here too. Okay. So ana m ekele Chineke maka unu. Thank God for you all. Ana m ekele Chineke maka ezinụlọ m. Thank God for my family. Ana m ekele Chineke maka ndị enyi m. I thank God for my friends. Ana m ekele Chineke maka Igbostudy, okay? Because I really find joy in teaching Igbo. So ana m ekele Chineke for giving me this opportunity for YouTube, for websites, for internet, for just giving me this opportunity to reach all of you, even though I haven't met a lot of you. So nekele Chineke maka everything really. Okay, sometimes things go well. Not everything in my life is going well at the moment. Some things are going well, some are not. But the Bible says in everything give thanks. So n'ime ihe niile ana m ekele gị Chineke. In all things give thanks. Okay. N'ime ihe niile ana m ekele Chineke. Right. So ihe m nwere ikwu taa bụ I've been started a 3-day Learn Igbo challenge yesterday on Facebook. Okay, so it's a free challenge. The topics that we are doing in this in the 3-day challenge, okay, is just 3 days. So I'm very much aware that it's short, but it's because it's just the basic topics. The topics we're doing is greetings, introducing yourself and others, and addressing family members, you know, sister, brother, in-laws, how do you call them in Igbo? Okay, so why did I do this? I mean, somebody might say, oh, that is basic, I know it already. But you know it, some other person might not know it, okay? Sometimes I get clients that are total beginners, okay, and we have to start from scratch, which is fine. I mean, if you don't know something, you don't know it. If you drop me into a Spanish class now, apart from hola and gracias, which I don't know if I'm saying properly, I don't think I know any other thing in Spanish. So there are people that do not know much in Igbo, okay? Maybe apart from Undewo, that is who this challenge is for. If you're a total beginner, you only know 1 or 2 words or at the most 5 words in Igbo, then this challenge is for you. And I'm giving it free because I want you to know this, okay? So that when you then decide to book with me and let me coach you and pay for my coaching, then we're not dealing with this, okay? Then you've already mastered them. Even if you don't know how to pronounce it, at least you're familiar with the words. When I say them, you know them. Or when you see them, you know them. Then we know that we just need to work on your pronunciation, okay? So if you're a beginner, okay, you only know about maybe at the most 10 words in Igbo, then this challenge is for you, okay? So this is for the total beginner who knows 10 Igbo words or less, okay? And you want to speak Igbo, you really, really do want to speak Igbo. You want to connect with your heritage, you want to connect with your identity, and you want to pass it on to your children. You want to give your children the opportunity to experience this beautiful part of their culture, because the language is really part of your culture, our culture. So you want your children to know. You don't want the language to die with you. Then this challenge is for you, okay? It's 3-day challenge. We started yesterday, but it's still there. The video I did yesterday is there. I have also done today's. So if you join now, you just join the flow, okay? You follow us, you learn, and you can ask questions, okay? And even though it's a 3-day challenge, okay, I'll still be there next week answering questions in that group, okay? But because I only want people that are focused, people that are beginners, like I said, if you already know them, I mean, you might or might not want to come unless you want to come to practice your speaking, then you're welcome. But it is really for learners, okay? And people that want to learn and go on and learn more, okay? Right? So it's in the Facebook group, a private group. I will leave a link in the description. This link will ask you to sign up, okay? You will need to put your first name and your email. Then I will send you an email with the link to the Facebook group, okay? And when you get to the Facebook group, there will just be like 3 questions to answer, very brief questions, okay? Those questions help me know what you want, okay? And it also helps me know that you're serious, okay? Because if answering 3 short questions is too much, I mean, then there's no point. You can just sit here on YouTube and watch the YouTube videos, okay? No, I mean, it's all right. It's not for everybody, like I said. But if you do want it, if you're happy, you want to learn this basic stuff, greetings, family, making introductions, okay? You then come over and join us. I would really love to support you as you learn this, okay? Inola, Ngwano, that's all I have for you today. Oh, Ngwano, Kodi, Nasukwibo. Kodi, oh.